It's finally spring, and it's time for spring cleaning. Many of us are decluttering not only our physical rooms and closets, but our online presence. Leave your physical and digital spaces spotless with these easy steps. Take inventory of your personal devices, both old and new. Include phones, wearable technology, networking equipment, desktop computers, tablets, copiers, printers, and even fax machines. After backing up your files, perform a factory reset on old computers and mobile devices. Also remove any memory cards or hard drives. Investigate e-waste recycling programs or facilities in your location. Check with local officials, municipality websites, and local message boards for any recycling events where you can bring your device. Regularly back up important files and documents to an external hard drive or cloud storage service. This ensures that your data remains accessible even in the event of a data breach, hardware failure, loss, or theft. Use reputable antivirus software to scan your devices for malware or other malicious programs. Schedule regular scans to detect and remove any potential threats lurking on your system. Clean out your email inbox by unsubscribing from newsletters that you no longer read and promotional emails from stores you don't shop at frequently. Delete old emails containing sensitive information and empty the trash folder to free up storage space. Make sure the passwords for all your online accounts are unique, complex, and robust. Choose a passphrase that you can remember and that bad actors can't guess. Enable multi-factor authentication, or MFA, on all accounts or devices. Review and adjust privacy settings on social media and other online accounts. Limit the amount of personal information you share publicly. Consider deleting your profile altogether on applications and platforms you no longer use. Perform updates on all connected devices in your home, known as the Internet of Things or IoT. Delete any apps or services from devices that are no longer in use, or consider disabling the internet connection on devices that don't require them, like a washer or dryer.